Ashantis were defeated by the guns, but it was just guns leading. But in reality,
yo, alafo me chacha munyina na me gidi se nananom ene otwedi ampo bode adawromenti mo biara ahoye mesme hoye moni bie nim bibia so boko na enyanom anapai wote me nka anye bone ka we kura de my busy be bo me mati na eso be shetre no ase a meche nyade a mewie ntem na abad matimi abe address issue yeah papa wada machi or speculate around. Now, with all due respect, I am not here to disrespect Lawyer Noche Frimpong. No. That is not my intentions. Say maybe disrespecting. But honestly speaking, Papa, or I can't say maybe at 7 a too much. Meaning baby so called law school no okosua history minim. So about masters in history mintimi. But I find it very unusual. Say I say obia when I was say what's my classroom machine day. Now from a lawyer. A lawyer need be a okra masters. Now with me babontin back fabricating stories. After a group of people and I say after a certain identity and I say a certain kingdom and a certain imperial be unusual for me. Who is my opinion? Me who be that? Anye be a penny dear count refie must be for. And yes, when you know our school there was so everything. It is idea look crowd ni more. And for corner they are still there. They are still almost a stay. What year bonkum dear no could any faddy. But what you mean here fabricating story now from a tennessee image of other people? Lawyer no chief and pong. Baby cry, I don't know. Baby cry who go school no. I know certificate no can cry fast or acquire no. It needs to be verified. Because information are totally almost 80% of your information are false. 80% of your information are false. Mr. Noche Frimpong. Akotena interview kasiye TV station. Kasiye paso. Ebie no ano aka se enkranfo ene asante akon edifiti asantefo. I quote again. Wakotena a big TV stations, a very big TV station so. Wakotena TV station so. According to Lawyer Noche Frimpong, I claim say e kwan kura Ganfo efa so defeati asantefo. Ewo ekwan e frɛ no do the wall of dodo and akantaman so ekon. Me nwan ma wo hwɛ me. Me kasemo. Ebia me ya santini ntia. Ma sante sem eye me tu eye me de. Na me from asante sem uni akro. Na me siki ambition say baby asante ma wo bi ebeka abonti ebia me de meka na ma sante semti me wo ye wan unyini eti bomodin na krachi ni na ye wuraba na wan kasa ahwehwe no kura ne ma ho enkran ni bia enkranfo omutimi ni asante nko enkran otimi ni asante nko enkran sha asante ase sa wo se meboa wa kobusa enkran o hye asante ase ye bedifiti asante 1874 ena wonum angu asante wono ema wonum soso enya afa hodi asante fo na bonkrafo ho bai enkrafo no mugu ho no most of them biologically asante fo isasa na enkrafo no mo they were the minority ya asante places yenti na asante ma ho kwan emobi entata wonum na yenhwe the wall of Dodua Enkrafo bede ni Asante Empire kontokwa. Enye no kure. Ti se loya no ti fimpo kwotena TV so kase. Enkrafo defeat Asante enye no kure. Sabre no medance ni wato force dance ni ewo chichichichi. Wo twato nti. But me de me se dance ni wo anim ha ya. Mo kwa chimo boakwa. Gana ni pia wo se opese wo nya nsem mu no kure no kwa chimo boakwa. Sata mo hina na esiso abrodo ko a. Abrodo ko a no oye oba na na edi hene. Ewo achimabo akwa monko ho. Na monko busa esa se achimabo akwa. De ma achimabo akwa kwa kan santokwa no ho. Eya bro poku frefre. Nana first esibebo nsu ebedi hene. Na commander opoku frefre. Ena na achimabo akwa ye confante war. Ya confante war. Na ye kwa sanfante no war no. Akurade a yenya wo which is 1806. Very good 1806. Me pese be ma wo date ro ye de record wo sa asem no to ho. 1806 ene ye course antokwa no achibabu akoka sante ho ene ye course antokwa no sa atam no na awusu atana na ye achibabu akwa hene akire na awusu atafi abrado ku a ena entokwa ya me kanse ene nkrapọ ko ye penkan matu na abrado ku a na ye hene e wa achibabu akwa na ma de ati achibabu akwa no koka kantamato no ko site with the goddamn group na ne se ya ko antokwa ne baye no ene wono kire se akurade ye de ma no nusa oni akuapem akurade ye de ma wono nusa eni chi sadia emfante kun no ayeko ye no emfantefo no kokopa ne che gafo ne se gafo no na eye alliance wa Asante na Asante obuma Asante information aba omo about omo emfante confidential no eti 11 no emfante ne yeso kwakutu ahye gafo no so esa sasase no mote so no anya gafo no dia eto wo kwakutu ahye sa gafo no so sometimes na Asante ne boga no ho ban mebo a obetimi akope it is there clearly eti amachibabu akwa yese esa se eti no sis ntokoro wanya ayi kase enti won kosa ntokoro ti sa ntokoro ni mu na ma otufo otibobo nsusuma enipa mienu no opoku frefre in the leadership of opoku frefre so onum kwa kanchira achimabu akwa hene se achimabu akwa hene one tole na na ochi chebi wo mombo nipa na no emfamra mechia opoku frefre okumase ena achimabu akwa ene akuapem echi sa asomafo no mienu kun wo mo ene kofo a Asante ene achim ntokwa ba achimabu akwa ntokwa ba e ana achimabu akwa defiti ye eti yawo no ana ewa achimabu akwa mu no eyawo na ewa achimabu akwa mu no ene ye ko 1826 ntokwa na wasa akoto ba ye in the same leadership of opoku afrefre na asasa akoto ba ye ahemfunyira kaso onto the boase anu ose da bi goddamn group no ma nuisance to the sense mo akasa sasa na moteso nya mo dia mo so amo saki kanfo ni tibom ye protect mo ye bom ho ban be hu sasa abrepia these people they are causing chaos etokwa ko punish won na sa punishment no goddamn group no ena atimabu akwa sabre na oyima ohene a oyima na odi hene wa atimabu akwa na nadokwa brodo a woboa asrafo ano akom eboa na asrafo ano danchira eboa na asrafo ano wasa akuapem you find say all of them including the British and orumbekun eti Asante Satan na sa kotoko mincho odi free ene say yaka baby ane Asante kingdom no ebunu east ahafo ana some part of western and western of woboa akofo ano akofo obo ma no ye 40,000 and obo ma no e de course akon na yakoye no esa say na kaya wo enkrofo a won draft e kwani e faso e de ko invade na sa akoto Anthony Boase ti kwani e be faso de ko invade ni nyina no it was captured. There was spies, the British arranged everything. Eti e ko defeat ye akonim. And then a master for hene eba ya nam se ni gwase enyi evident no obe onu ankasa beka na no we opoku frefre sa akonim no praye because Satan na British for no o ma arrange atwa Asante no wahia obu twa asante wo hiai asante kun papa na sa ko ni mu na sikadwa eno soko kapta ye ama nsuta antoa ena ye fe ne say dwaben won musa kwakun ye ani na musa atam do kwakun o mantim no makum ye sape akwakun ji baye na de ko baye ne se asante sebia nya do sebia brawo enkran dagan dambe ntimini asante enyina na kane no kura dambe no obi a we dambe ni meka nkyem se meboa dambe group no kane no won be for santefo esanse na de wada group a no mo ye guansa no mo intimidate wo eto be for santefo na santefo be kun abo no ho ban akora wo no eti na up to date ukọ dambe group no mu a say ya alumriwefo eya humriwefo akribriwefo eya guabriwefo eya ga briwefo krabriwi alumriwi humriwi omunyina akom asante na achimfo so ye na ya asante ya from kotokofo wo mo na me bodam befo no hoban ama ko madam befo mo mudu o so asafo eni ti se ne obi so ye a lawyer minim so ye lawyer by historian or so whatever he call himself na so be ka se ganfo edifiti asante wo kantamante tokomo. What kind of distortions is this? Gani biele ni ho. Gani ganfo particular ne. Asante nko se ganfo nko ane asante ko. Enkrofo ganfo ama dam before kan wo mo ho. Any one mo ko yo mo ya kanfo ya komfo. Na na o kan ko ibre so. Ena kanfo ayi ganfo ene akomfo kun tokwa. Sabra na akomfo wo mo ne colonize gan efo esase ganfo ne ba ye no letafo asase ena omde ma omutena ye ewo ayawa so ena onu betu se letafo so na letafo ne bi ekọ people no achi de bi soko esuo jan no achi first afram river no achi ena bi tira bese ko ase ho akosomo wo fura akọ ase obi bese ko ho ena akomfo asukutu se wonum gafo so ena onum ekonka agafo onum colonize ga no mu colonize gafo no 50 years ezase gafo ni twa won mo ecolonize guanse no afro om nko apem ama chime buakwa be aid of the guanse for abekutia akom ena ma na gani ti asase so kasa ene dia eno na obi onu free 1781 1782 wonu free ayi ilefe iloba fo omo baye so omo hene edu omani omo hene etata omo hene ti moden ekọ omo hene du omo nam so wono ba na leta fo omo ba bi tan enya akomu ankasa asase no kana mo nte so akom ne ko so sa ne ma wonya na mo ti so bi ena mo mfre se ye mo dia kwase broni be invade ye no ye krata to hye ena mo ye krata ne ma mo ile fefo atoto hye ma mo sa mo dia na so nkra asase no enya mo dia letefo asase eguafo asase ani ti se no obi be tra bontere se soko akani soko se soko lo ya on na esie so ya kani ayanzimani on na esie won na esie o ye on na esie se wo sua de animade enim homa ebe tra be ka se nkranfo gadam bene wono ko se gafo edifiti asante kire kwankwa gafo edifiti asante. This is pathetic situation. Esa se gan woni asante nkoda na emu masante fo na bogafo ho ban eno na ma 1811 na se se bebonsu wo suma asrafo mako almost bese 20,000 to 28,000 25,000 edwo mo ko gafo asase so. It's almost about 70% of Kofu Guano. Biologically, they are just been brainwashed. Biologically, they are scientists. 25,000 people in 1811. And a messy bebon susuma one. And one call gun. So I'm a gun for bang. It's also more near Fanti Confederacy, including denture. But so back to show one so many spice mass anti-4. Woman na yes spice mass anti-4. Sa ko ni mu na ati wo boa kwankwa omo akwa execute messengers no akwa fa homa chem aboa kwa eni asante tokwa ba na wusu atabres na ye de nene yate wa ne yenye obi ne wa babontene ne wa bechi twatro na wa twatro na wa twatro the same year no ene ye de nkrofo mu frasafo ne bantema abese call alimina and 5,000 people and unless bebonzu ama won mu call alimina kanta manton tokwa eno me no kase kwa kuapem akuapem mo dwira wo mu twa ye fe no kunimdi adwira ye twa wo kuapem ne eye based on kanta manton tokwa what is 1826 esasa sa tokwa na kuapem ko obi antokwa ndanchira ko obi antokwa na chibo bua ko in the leadership of Nana Dokuwa abruwa Dokuwa no yo hene e watime bokwa ekobi sa tokwa no akomu kobi sa tokwa no wasa ekobi sa tokwa no e fere se wasa fiase anko sa tokwa na yi e fere se enkro ko sa tokwa no wa mudoso all the Infantry Confederacy the 5 states of Infantry Confederacy kontokwa ni bi wo mu nyina kokon in support of the British for sa kantamanton tokwa sa sante so mo be parish ganfo because of say one at disappoint asante for anything say what to honor ne what you say wo gani ni asante ni akoda it's funny na say mo hima wu ye enya gahima ga obi anya overlord ho in a crowd kwa obi anya overlord obi aso ye no obi e fa ga manche ho ye gamashi manche omo na sa enkran no ni adade na ye omo dia Accra ene Jamestown omo sa nkrofo no gamashi manche fo ye wotachi manche ye wala manche ye pram ye wota tama obia ye equal stature omo nyina parliament sisa ye 18 parliament sisa e wo Accra Traditional Council ebi ososo ade ba ko o se hye ne so ne se enkrafo na ye fro mu nyina enkrafo no ahemfiri bi won enkrafo ni mu a omu fra kwam ebi won kra because na kwamfo no colonize omu o ka kontokwa madasi ni ene agogo hene o ka kontokwa ma na ofori kurabon ne nkrafo efra kwam sa tokwa ni ti na ma won fra kwam ye o ka kontokwa madasi ni ene sebia nyado sebia bana na mpache modi awie ene agogo hene ana se tokwai ye kantamanto tokwa madasi ni ene atema bu akwa hene akuapem madasi ni akom madasi ni danchira madasi ni Infantry Confederacy the 5 states of Infantry Confederacy including the British Gani be ne betimi agina Asante Kingdom ni napo ga how many is ga people say ga fo ne kokon santo kona ka santo fo be mashi wo muso tomato se mashi na na sa akoto so tie abro bedi ade na nesibe bonso ewu achi obedi ade no so oba ye na Asante Traditional Council atira se kache se nya abotire ne yakwa oyo ntokwa ahanta ntokwa enchai nya abotire na ye tutu ne amanwie ansa ne yakwasa ntokwa no wotie ya kanya ne se ne replica of sikadwa ye ne ripia bonte no enya se ka wo ka ho asem no ene chi papa anoche frimpon let me educate you because you are not educated enough in terms of history. Because of that, you speak anyhow and you distort history to the benefit of your own interest and the bribe and your emblems. Let us tell you that we will not permit you to use your emblems and to use your bribes to distort anybody's history. It will not happen. Gani biele ni ho. Enti so ye gani said the muhimani wu ye no a. Otumfo esuma obi gamashi manche omuhima wi. Otumfo suma obi se. Womra aja mo sha Asante ni to womra na o me represent no onye bibia ma enye kama. Oba ye eyi amoye. Iste se bo be ka oba ahima ni history. Eniama o impact e wo gamashi manche Traditional Council nim Ananya mapa wa ye e Gamashi Manche traditional council nim anu oba ye sesa ya wo de aba Gamashi Manche traditional council nim anya sa ana mokofa the wall of Dodua Cantonment war some money asante kon edifiti asante mo ga ni asante akon in what history bem the wall of Dodua never say na kanfo ne nkam ho there wasn't any way the 5 states of emphasis confederation no mabo ogwai ever say mankasim all this short pond the 5 states of Franco Confederacy denchira wo ko santo kwanibi denchira e ko santo kwanibi akom e ko santo kwanibi atuma bu akwa e ko santo kwanibi akom o ko santo kwanibi eno ne manne so ko odura e wo kuapema akuapema odura e start here if 1826 go and verify esa se ade e ba 1811 no na me nipa mienu akuapem ene achema buakwa etire twa bi ba mu eno ne ma wonu mu ye adie ko support sankrofo we mu na no so akire 1831 ye be the peace treaty sa peace treaty no ene ye ti ase ene o tu for so okay sesa na mo kan se bo pese bo de ho nyina ye colony mu colonia na mo de pra no na etwa no a imati ase ene wo ti ase ene mo de pra no etwa no 1831 after 1826 in tokwa ekoye because when that time no na kwakwa ese as akanfo ni bi enwinwi akanfo ni bi enwinwi ene adade it is na wo lawyer not frimpong you call yourself so you can who is many we are despicable. We are despicable. We are one of the most terrible history teller. You can be a yatro, full of lies. But you speak them with confidence. You speak them with boldness. You are misleading children. And now to honor history university or what you will be fairy. It says a Gani Biele Niwa. The wall of Dodua, it was not fought by the mighty Asante Kingdom and the Gadambe. No, it was fought by the Gadambe, the Akom, the Denchira, the Achims, the 5 states emphatic confederacy, and the British. Against the Asante. Against the Asante. Asante, the 40,000 troops in the course. Ebioso. Who akwana na wo share me comment section na wo kase dia make kase gafo she asante ne colonize Ghana what say fabricated. Why don't you go and learn for yourselves? Why do you want to permit yourself to be taught? And whenever we taught you the truth, you begin to lament because it is not in your favor. So why don't you waste your own miserable time and do your own work? Learn. Find out the truth for yourselves. Nkran was under Asante Kingdom. Nkran. It's because of Nkranti and 1811 Tokwa. The problem between the problem between Asante to Womunya French Confederation after 1806, a Puteni Tibe, Ekofa, a saying, and Pimenim atanda sofwo ene ase yi e fa ne say ase me refisa ase ba ko ni din ekofa santokwa ne beto ho after say apute ene atibe asem wakoba ya sa time na tendo one commissioner British commissioner tendo no ati Amsterdam Fort kofa santokwa ne ba 1806 confirm French Confederacy against the Asante because it's a pute adi okoyeye asempemanim for akosi omufuru na wonu mukotu furu no eno akire ena French Confederacy kotu asenkran so 1811 adi enti almost nkranfo no ena ema information because of said they are part of the Asante Kingdom and no man na asibebosu in the leadership of Opoku Fefe. And the truth, I go for 25,000. So I'm going to for by 25,000. See, I'm going to by, and those people they never came back. They settled there. They settled there. Few of them came back. Ebi also so say anymore 18 11 years anymore and they had 5,000 equal alimina. Most of them was from Bantima, most of them was from Asafo. 5,000 equal alimina. Eti, what are we talking about here? Say goddamn be fight against Asante defeat Asante ewo do the wall of Dodua. Goddamn be. The same one equiapim kremuno. The same one Achimabu akwa kremuno. The same one akwamu kremuno. The same one edanchira kremuno. The same one British for kremuno. Are you not even ashamed of yourself to use this as your history? Most of you got people. That time I see Gamachi Mancha sitting outside boldly expressing this. Say, we fought against the Asante and we defeated Asante. Gamachi Mancha. Nanatieku. I think, say, you can do better than that. Because you were born in Kumasi, you bred in there, and your parents school you. So definitely you know the true history. You know the true history. So you can do better than that. Sitting outside and expressing propaganda and the jadam. A kwaba is not goddamn before near Santi for Akuna. Moya near bomb hobby. Mumunti and your panacea and Casemiam. You were this minority group amongst every group. As I said, if you care to know, it's for the Guans. You do not have a land. When your forefathers was running from Ilo by Ilefe, when they came, they met the Guans, the letters, that the people in there. They embrace them and they give them a place, Ayawaso, to stay. They give them Ayawaso to live. Mame enyi edinkra emfiri ha. Ayawaso ana omo omokwatana ye. Enti se ne monya baabi te na okwati broni. Abeko nize. Etimi akonka asantefo. From 1874 and again 1801. Na asante abe colony. Na wonya we fully independent. Na kwasi broni atehye. I am granted at so now my entitled of those documents are there. Historically, those lands doesn't belong to you. I wonder what the Guans are sitting so quietly waiting for. Now bremu and obe bremu abesia komuso. Enya komu anka wunya bebi ntina. Sa kwabu jai Guans no. Ama mu ye free. Ama mu focus to determine more. Can you understand the more disturb nipa? Ye ya fa share kwa yese mukum nipa. Ye ya fa share kwa yese tese bibia ho ba ko. Akwa aba ho kra mo ko. Akwa aba ho na so akwase broni sa atema na okoro nazi asante no. No the asante sa abra na kamani nyina integrate into Asante Kingdom. Dia kamanu sika na Asante Kingdom sika. And the military airport. And they see a cry, ya upgrade na international airport. Sabran, was your grandfathers and your grandmothers, were they part of the contribution? No. No. Huh? Apart from pramprama, ye dear bro, any near man, ningo, any pramprama, ye dear bro, any man, more. I didn't contribute more, man. Huh? Yeah, so dear, we don't want to speak the truth. Obia sorry no kasa. Just yesterday, a young lady was insulting the whole Asante because of Agani. She feels entitled. She feels very entitled that she can disrespect Asantes. Why not? Why wouldn't she disrespect Asantes? If you have people like him, why wouldn't she? Huh? When we are busy contributing to the resources and development of that country, your people are busy learning boxing. People don't want to tell you the truth. People are scared to spit it on your face. But the reason why most we are mute concerning matters around you, the Gap people and the Dambe people, because our people are within you. We've got our people that are within you. We've got our people that are mixed together with you. If you go to the Dambe, there's Asantes there. There are the Kwamus are there. There are Chims are there. The same thing the Gap people as well. That is why we are able to look all this while. When nonsense amoye, I was a man more. Yes, be a srubia. Obiela knew what was srubia or Tom. They are not a frimpong. We need to stop this nonsense, fabricating stories, and then antagonistic things together enter because of your own emblems. Because of your own emblems. You need to stop it. So officer or history can tell history about your own father and your mother. If you want to tell history about other people, you need to find out the truth from them. Find out the real truth. You can't just sit anywhere because you've got a platform, because you've got the viewers, because you've got the people that listen to you. You sat anywhere to spit your nonsense. To spit your nonsense. Mame emfa ya Yankee emfiri. Because I am not here for insult. If you ask me a question politely, I will politely respond to you. Say where did Asante comes from. In one and not Junimudawa. With all due respect, Emianum. One and not Junimudawa pa. Or because here for Asante Fufri. It's like Asante Fo is not, they are not human beings, they are animals. So they just appear from the trees. Only pa ben and not Junimudawa. Now, they keep asking these questions is because of Anoche Frimpong. Spilling nonsense and lies everywhere. For your information, Asantes are part of the majority account groups and they established Asante. They established the first kingdom. Yeah, the capital of that kingdom was Kokofu, Banana, Nyantrumedru. Yeah, Satamno, wouldn't know what's no name for you live in my, with all due respect. Wouldn't know what's 1511 in Kokofu, no more my. And Sunday, yes, our baba, can I hear him? Nana would take and tebreso. Ya try another one. Eti ye kasa Santefoa, ye can't avicofo, ye ya can't for. Ye can't aviana for, ye ya can't for. Ye can't bre to for, ye ya can't for. Ye can't senior for, ye ya can't for. Ye can't ever say, aquana for, ye yes, I can't for. Ye can't aguna for, ya can't for. San ye can't in Nadia Boma Dako for money, you could for in your epe. Ye ya can't for. And they fray the mighty Asante Empire. Nti Asante Fofri, nane ubisa Asante Fofri no, Mfanti Omufri. So ubisa Asante Fofri, they also ubisa Mfanti Fri because they are the same bloodline, the same people with different migration. Huh? It is awful so also ubisa Sefa na Asante Fra. And yaso bebusa say hin fa so na Mfanti Fofri because Mfanti ni Asante, omo ye maame ne papa baako. Wonu nyina fra danse ahinsan. Aje aduanafo. Saso na busasa hefa na Santefofia. Busasa hefa na wasafofiri. No wasa busasa hefa na nzemafofiri. No busasa hefa na owinfofiri. Because they are the same bloodline. Adanse and onu nyina free. Most of the Nzema people are such people. They are from Adanse Akrochare. And it's also busasa na mono. You need to also ask all the account groups of free. Huh? We are not busaba wale fo anyi fo. No, but say, one more Africans in us, and you know, free because we are the same bloodline. So, it is almost so Busa something in free. Busa say, or be our yaka be a free. At my walk over him. Huh? What we are not Busa say, I think what to go for him. I think Busumi for him. No job in free. No Busalina, because we are all the same bloodline. Yan, Mr. President, you have just been emotional. Bye bye. I don't seek for people with a shadow mind. Bye-bye. Oh, Hefa. Did I block him well? Anything, we need to focus about how we can educate ourselves with a true history. No matter how much that history does not coordinate with your conscience. But yes, so we need to adopt a true relationship by accepting what is relative. So what I say, and it is say, what be trouble on tine? No be catch what can he say? Sebi, and now what Santini say? Sebi, gafo,
Any Asantiaku, the wall of Dodo word woman. So what kind of lies is this? Lies the banner. Gan for one bit to make an Asante for him. You just tell me. In what way? Santo Kwano, Achimabua Kokubi. Okokubi in favor of the British. Sabra no Achimabua ko bana na wo hene wo na nadoku ana na ye wo hene wo. Akomu Kokubi in favor of the British. Then Kokubi in favor of the British. All the 5 states and fancy states, from Nomabo to Mankasim to Ogwai to Sotpon, Omunyina Kokubi in the favor of British. And again, the Dambe people also fight in the favor of British. Akomu Ekuyapim fought, almost fought in the favor of British. And the other now, we make Remusa, who got Dambe one year. They make cut Dambe the cross also. I just to sabotage things. Sawoga, one day, I Santiago pain. Used to be mu. Asante no bo ho ba na fe de won na kopan. Ah, but I said DNT na finally in 1874. Anglo Asante War. Ya kon Sagrenti War. Sabra no na ko fi kekarible so. Omo defeat Asante mum no omo de enkrabe the capital. Ebe capital free Cape Coast. From 1877 to 1878. You check the lines well. Because those areas was controlled by the Asante Kingdom. Those areas was controlled by the Asante Kingdom. So almost now, Obu Honoma were pure Asante. But from that time, from 1874, starting way by 1811, and Nana Ezbebo so the 25,000 Akufo the Konkanai. Just imagine, says Akurana Benina, what do they know? All they know is gang. Most of them are Asantes, and most of them are Kom. Most of them are the Chims, and then most of them are the Guans. In left for by they are just like peanuts. Eh? Some of them. Oh, Fred. Sorry. As of after that, Mesha Abacus several city about to be happy. It's Miniano. Menche. Mayana Mejam. Na adia bakwa I will urge you to do. And I say, men kase me hoye we and you're entitled. You're entitled to express your feelings, your preferences. It could be said, me no prefer person, no permissive. That could be entirely up to you. I know you're old and I respect that. Me found. Intimate found I was some respected that. But do not use war or choices or preferences in theater. Always be mindful. Because an education goes way further than you're thinking. And the cost TBA could pop up for your child to write and pass and move forward in life. So if somebody came out and sat somewhere and begin to spill lies, Sheye, now what verify those lies? Make us say my boy him fooding. You can go to them. Go to them and ask them. Say him for no, and they are no longer part of the Asante Kingdom. I come. Or you can go and ask. Ekuyapim or you can go and ask. Oko Gwai, Oko Mankasim Sotpon, Oko a friend say, no mabo, they are all there. You can verify the history about the Kantamanto War. Ekuyapim and then the Maninya Udra. Ekuyapim Udra and Yanyan 1826. Ekuyapim Udra, the same year no a conquer Asante. By do Kantamanto War. Nano Asakutuna now you know Asante mem. Sad Robert Mapachimabua or ban and nail you know. So you can also go and verify that history from there. Gani biele ni ho ga enti mi nyina Asante ani me nku. Na said those days you can Asante Kingdom. Do you know? Huh? Open to mobilize 40,000 na Asante 40,000 no kura sabi. Na Ganu akwa mo ya be 10,000 pe. Na ubremu hwan ubremu a na sabesi ye na anam so ubremu a na sabesi ye na anam so so obo ma kwan etiase ne ye separate colony e ma British ya ne ye Asante colony Anapota Street. You know North nyina. So 1951 you go pray a full independent no. As I say come we persistent. No man makwa ya Asante North. Eye so mbetichi wo ankasa separate ekuro. As I say come ti ase na come join the Gold Coast colony no. Na so ne nyina so gina JB Dankwa. So JB Dankwa no mo na be ye ena ma o mbeti aso no se de hie no. Agreement amoni Asante Kingdom ye no. Mo ani so. And obi asori ya na matete Asante Kingdom ni mu. And then Asante ni otebuno wonti so kaza Asante ni obedi watem. Ha? Na mayir mo na mu chem. Na ya kwa de buno hafo 1958, 1959. 1959 akufo so baya wabe ne buno. Ebunu East and a half. Huh? The beer Asante no kwa na mpesa mutichechim. Every day mo basa muticha Asante na say ma nya Asante na ya mamre ne amane no a very effective and active one. Na ka na obi kratia e wa half no a o hu so Asante ni. Magenda ni nyina anya adwuma. Ebe bom ti so. Ade ba semni. Ha? Etimi nya no. Menche. Is that some cha? Minya mane. Mecha, me huna mane pint no. Menche. Eti mekram. Na mesrem. Aka for nkam humum. Me kam kirem se nkam humum. Na sebi nyaaro sebi abra o search be o da nti so wonsa yemu utum. Ne mo yem ho no. And with all due respect, we'll come home with the Najima Bedmunchanin film because moi, and Cabomuno. Not didn't need my 4 guinea crown no more. Timuni won more farmer farasi for. Macamaca, and I have my reasons. It's mess semo. Near Moya Mokwa Benano. Unity is power. Send you as one to united elements. And the wire cracker, then ye enkora, can phone cora ko dipa, me do omani, a chetty one a yo maya kayaka dear. Remember, Sane, it was once a desert without no water. Nensio crepino, insio, nebino. But because of their constant unity plan, yo munyina building their unity together yi ba ku si wo so onu omo so asafo na obi anya onye ntra ne krom enye meeting e beba me yo hene kase etimi krom ne ba meeting nyina yi ba ko se ne Ghana no obi be yi se president no ade na moti hosa kanfo na mo ya kase e ba henie mu ajapade mu na mo makwan na ye beto abade kokromoti be ma obi so bedi mo so enye mo ne wu. Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Huh? Abba, we have the pipeline already. There is a pipeline. There is a plan. There is already structure. Ya can't focus on it is not a big deal. It's as the assassin in our boom. The assassin in our boom. Assassin in our boom. Ufri and Asante East in Central, Northern, I try to say, Northwest. Not the Western region, Central region, Western region, Western North region. No asabesi a half region, a half no Asante region. Ibio no asako Abu East region. So what is all this about? Huh? It's munya very careful. Na no mobika bakwa sem say na ya tora. Wasam friend him fee. Na mukune ni mu asia ombeja e monse mu no mudie no. So with all due respect, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate all of you. Go and learn. Go and learn for yourselves. Go and learn for yourselves. Therefore, Timini Asante Kingdom nkoda. They were able to conquer by the Betis plan or Modisi Hono. The Gadambe group was part of the war. The Achims in the leadership of Nana Dukua was part of the war. The 5 states of the Mfanti from Nomabo to Sotpong to Mankasim to Ogwa, and one of them was part of the war against the Asante as well. Dedenchira was part of the war against the Asante. The Air West was part of the war against Asante. The Kuapems fought in favor of the British. And there's some parts. So basically, it was like and a British for the sacrifice Iranians in this Ancrophobia Rebecca and Bekuti Asante in the same war. And the best sermon. Obi so awunyi ni se na Asante after akomu na colonize ega na omu colonize omu 50 years na komfo na sa de be see ho asene so na ma chimo bwa kwan ne be kon ye ene ma sa nkrofo na omanya asase te so omu ni asase because omu so be take revenge na ukan kwa ebre so Asante colonize in Christ. Swat say. It is so be cast and fufrobia and yano correct. Madam I say, with all due respect, me babo me meti. Bet me fat platform ne be aso. Me whom be a me baba kay in I own. Then I so I discuss the issue. Now it will be I have a bit of issue when I'm talking because me a bronchitis asthmatic. They say because na me lungs no cruise. They told me I have to a bit shout. Na it's my free. They said they may take a bit breath and sanity. And it's just like I like shouting. No, I'm a very quiet person, but I have to do that for my survivor. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Mama, bye.